Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa San Francisco Airport and we are here at the Gods dito sa Gods roadside eat burger. Tingnan natin guys. So kasama ko ang mga oldies ngayon at kami ay kumakain ng burger. So si Mother, California burger in lettuce wrap. And si Father is crispy chicken. Hindi siya crispy chicken in lettuce wrap. And si Jed, nag-bun siya. But me, I'm going to eat the... Oo nga. Me, I'm going to eat the California burger ba ito? Okay. California...
Bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger yan. Okay. This one. Bacon cheeseburger pala. And yan.
Crispy teriyaki chicken.
Crispy teriyaki chicken pala. So, let's taste, guys. So, ito siya. So, mamaya na tayo mag-coffee. Tikman muna natin. So, they have an option now to use lettuce wrap. Parang siya guys. So this is better than using the bun. Lalo na kung tayo na low carb. Ang ganda na itsura niya guys, no? Malaki naman siya. Malaki naman yung ating burger. This is worth, how much nga?
16.
Oh! 16 yung isa. Yeah. So, malaki naman siya. Kaya mabubusog ka. So again, another sharing of experience with you guys. Yung aming kinakainan. So kung nandito sa San Francisco Airport, ngayon itong Gods Eat roadside, pwede kayong order dito. We also have an option whether you pay in cash or in card, no? And then meron doong kiosk na pwede kayong gumamit. Lastly to, of course, you have unlimited use of the water and ketchup. So yun lang guys, sharing with you another food, no, na pwede ninyong to try if you are here in San Francisco Airport. Okay, so how's the chicken?
Tastes good.
Tastes good? Okay. Guys, kain muna kami. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. So let's have a coffee. So, nag-order na kami ng Peet's Coffee because we are craving for the coffee. Yan. Ba't ganun? Parang naglalag.